Tazewell County, the city of Danville, hit Sylvania County until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Swansonville to Quick, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, around 80 degrees. Locations impacted include Danville, Yanceyville, Bethel, Chatham, Gretna, Mount Airy, and Providence. This includes the following location: Danville Airport,